Hey everyone, today I'm giving you my honest take on the Oura Ring, a sleek, lightweight, and super smart wearable that's not just a ring, but a whole health tracking solution. So, if you've been curious whether the Oura Ring is worth it, let's dive right in. The Oura Ring is packed with a lot of advanced features. It tracks your sleep, your heart rate, your body temperature, and even your stress levels, all while being as discreet as a regular ring. I mean, it doesn't even feel like I'm wearing a tech gadget. What I personally love is how easy it is to understand my health metrics right from the app. I can see how well I slept, how my stress levels fluctuate throughout the day, and even use it as a remote for my phone's camera. That last part is perfect for capturing moments hands-free. Plus, it's waterproof and has a 6-day battery life, meaning you won't have to worry about charging it constantly. Wear it while showering, swimming, and go about your week without interruptions. So, who do I think this is for? Honestly, if you want to keep track of your health without the bulk of a smartwatch, Oura Ring is for you. It's easy to wear, and it blends right in with your everyday style. If you're ready to take control of your health and see what your body is really telling you, make sure to check out the link in the description. Using that link, you'll get an exclusive discount and be on your way to smarter health tracking. And hey, if you found this review helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more honest reviews on the coolest gadgets out there. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.